What is up, you guys? So today we might be doing a call meet. Oh, I can see there's some people here. Oh, it's already a call meet going on. Okay, let's block. I think I'm gonna open my doors. I mean, that's the trunk. The trunk. That's good. I just locked it. Ick. Okay, it's already locked. It's really cool. Well, anyways, one of them. I think actually, no, I think I don't even have any. Bro, sushi was wrong. Damn. He got some nice cars. I'm gonna add these guys. Uh-huh. I look like they're heading out. Okay, I'm just gonna do a few races. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm still new, so put your usernames down in the comment. I will be playing, but I don't know if we could work. I think we can talk and chat. Because right now I don't know how to do that. Oh, I'm gonna get a drift rod. But anyway, this one goes to see my car is really nice. I do play Call of Duty Shield. You guys wanna see it? Put it down in the comments. But I haven't played in a while, so I thought I'd do today. I did do the Origin update a few, like a month or two ago. Oh, but anyway, it's getting really close to Christmas. So guys will enjoy it. But I'll probably post it on Christmas, so. Let's see if we can maybe buy a motorcycle. We're trying to go into the dealership and see the release to the it's open. Oh, let me do this. My underglow is shining. Hello. Oh, I'm still like broke to a point. So I think I might actually buy that ATV again. Because I did trip it out and then I just sold it. And there was some pretty cool customization. This one just looks a little bit boxy. I really want to get one of these for my intro. Then I start, I'm like, yo, what's up guys? Today we will be like doing some races in the Oregon. Oran. Maybe I'll make an intro on one of these. Yeah, anyways, just gonna leave my car there. Supra. Y'all see the soup? Yeah, I see the Supra. I'm gonna look this thing. I don't know why I want this function. Let's go to appearance. Underglow. Underglow enabled. Oh, it is on. I think it's just too. Oh, that is way better. Hey, hey, blue underglow screen. And that should do. Alright. Let's go ahead and do some more races. I mean, at the moment, races is my only thing on this channel. Oh, this one in here. Guys, trolling me. We did do a little bit of economy at the front, so the thing is, I mean, it's not the thing, that that whole, when you click on the video, you know that page thing, it might not look like what we're doing, but dang it. Mm-mm. The song's so catchy. Kinda cool. Dang. That was the first one I got. Not my I might actually get a Nintendo Switch for Christmas or even a PlayStation 4. Or we might actually record on that. But I don't know. You guys know we are about to drift. A decent amount of money. Yesterday, one of my close family people, aka brother, said that I'm overly drifting. But he doesn't even know. I mean, it's not the most money, but it's nothing. Dude, this cheap. What? 30. Let's go. How? I'm the way for somebody to do it. I'm just doing it. Very good. I should. Ah, hindi na. This guy has my intro call. So, anyways, how guys can put in the comments how your day has been going, and if it hasn't been going good for you, I I hope it goes better on later. But as you know, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow is yours, and you know that, bro. You know. But anyway, you guys know that you guys control yourself and stay strong and believe in what you want to believe. Other people can't choose what you want to do. But anyways, we this I mean that car is actually a bit slow, so I mean I'm gonna drive it around. Ooh, maybe I can buy a Supra, make it look super cool, and then make them make people pray that they don't have to race me in it. But I'm not saying that the aerodynamics in this game, that stuff will make the car faster. I'm just saying it'll make it look cooler. But what I wanted to say is, stay strong, believe in yourself, don't give up, that kind of stuff. This thing you can modify really well. But the car that I want to get Isn't this? Isn't this? But it is, well, of course I want to get the most expensive car in the game because it is the fastest. The boost truck. Really? What car goes 1000 miles an hour? 3 rocket engines. But it's a, a, a truck. 13 million for that? Nah, I'm getting that. I can either get this, modify it, make it super cool. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting this. A retro Supra? Oh. Yeah, because the new Supra, the Yoki Supra, is my build, but I put you away. Seems kinda slow, kinda ugly. But we're gonna make it look. Because Supras, you know. Fast and Furious is like one of my favorites. Body kit. Stock body kit. Legendary works. Oh, Freezy. I think I'm gonna get the legendary works. Freeze is too expensive anyways. Interior color can be awesome. We'll make that blue. Keep that. Pink. I think I'll make it orange. What about that? Yep. Skins. I mean, to be honest, matte black, matte white. Yep, that purple looks good. Skins. Wait, what about that? Nope, let's make it matte. I want the color to be. I make it. The interior color can't be the same color, of course. It has to be different. I think I'll make it. No, not white. Gray looks cool. Eat that color. You know, oh, I have to make it the lighter shade. Limo windows, that's just black still thingy. I want it to be clear as day. Yeah, we can choose driving these things. License plate. Take it off, keep it on. Yeah, I'll take it off. Actually, I want to keep it on. None of my cars have license plates. Rims. Custom rims. The van rims. Oh, wait, ain't no way. Yeah, I think I might actually just take that one. I might take this one. What am I exact black? Cos'è extra calendar è marmo? No, non go like that one. I need to get 20,000 to do all that. After we get that, I'll see you in the next video to do some thrifting. Oh, now I know what it's called. The thumbnail might not look what it's gonna be in this video, but you know how it is. Do a quick burnout. Make all the haters jealous. Oh my word. Spun out. Doing the whole thing. It's not that fast at the moment, but you know, there's not any upgrades on besides, you know, these. I might actually, in the next video, I might save up 100,000, get the Freezy kit, just see how it looks. The Freezy kit looks like, you know, the Supra from Fast and Furious 7. Those movies are also cool. I would actually really recommend those movies. I'm not saying nobody's sponsored by him, but Don, if you see this, please give me some money. For family. What? Wait a second. Did I get into the beach dash? I need to get again. Really? Did I get a make us in this desert? This race is really awful. It took way too long. This kid looks nice. Hey, from the front. That looks like a cool thumbnail. we gonna hit away. He said I couldn't drift. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. So bye. Thank you.